In our previous lecture, we discussed the concept of the golden flower, which is believed to be a light shining through a small opening. This light, it is suggested, might be streaming from a crack in the walls of higher dimensions, and the projection of this light forms the universe we live in. This raises an intriguing question. How do we break through this wall or penetrate this barrier? According to the ancient and mysterious Eastern diagram known as the He-2, this small opening is located at the very center of the Milky Way. Does this mean that we should launch a spaceship and travel to the center of the galaxy? Such an idea reflects the mindset of the reptilian brain, a way of thinking that seeks to ascend to higher dimensions by looking outward, by seeking external solutions. So, what should we do? The sages taught us that a single grain of sand contains an entire world. This means that we, ourselves, are microcosms, each of us a universe in our own right. We possess within us everything that the Milky Way contains, including the golden flower. So, why seek outside ourselves when we already have everything within? The great master Lu Dongbin gave this small opening within us a name, Tianxin, or the heart of heaven. There is no need to search outside. Instead, we need to find this heart of heaven within ourselves and break it open to discover the truth. Why did the ancient Eastern sages focus so much on self-exploration? Why could they retreat into meditation for a decade? Because they understood that they were complete, that all human desires arise from a restless heart. The sages could go without eating, drinking, sleeping, or even breathing because they had achieved an ultimate state of stillness. When you cultivate your ability to enter deep stillness, you too will notice that your breath becomes incredibly subtle, that you do not feel tired, thirsty, or hungry. Humans, in essence, can transcend desires because we are innately complete. Therefore, what we need is meditation, to enter into a state of profound stillness, and in this stillness, to discover the golden flower, the heart of heaven. But how do we do this? Master Lu Dongbin suggested a method called reversing the light. We will explore this in our next lecture.